Good morning to all of you present over here. So this is Suraj Pawar. Come back with the new topic, which is having Dialogflow. So I made by using the Dialogflow. There is a one chatbot. The chatbot name is like Smart Family Bot. So in this Smart Family Bot, in this I just integrate that. For integration, we have different things. Like for example, we can use Dialogflow phone gateway, Tara, Tweetdo. Then if we also like having text-based editor integration that we have present like web demo, then telephone messenger. We can also like integrate with the Facebook by using that we have to create a one Facebook page, and then in that we have just a applicable allows to for having the Facebook messenger and whatever we can integrate with Facebook page. Also we can also use with the Telegram, we can also use the Slack, and we can also use with this line. So there are just some open sources also available. So let's see like what are the main things which is present. So this is like description, default time zone which is present, though it's my IT. Then after that we have different languages as per our requirement. We can just select a different languages, like I just chosen like English, then Spanish, French, Hindi, Japanese, Marathi. Then ML setting because I just required like automatic spelling correction which is required. So it depends on you whether you want to it like on or off. It might be so import export also which is present, environmental source, share, we can share the link, we can share our that this chatbot to another person, or so that he can also use this chatbot. So what are the intents which is present? So intents are like I just made different intents like name. So these are the couples are names which is present, and also in couples he is a couple, so this is present. So by default in families, so these are the families which is I just integration with that. So what is having entities? In entities I just having family name, gentle like male female, like we can also like a lot of entities we can use based on our requirement, we can say. So we can also training based on like I just use like for conversation for starting we have this is which is present. Then after that we have some validations based on that this things. After you can see history and then analytics. Based on that we can also form the like smart bot, smart talk. We can also like integration by default, it is by default, we have to write the queries and all, so we can also do that thing. So let's we can go for like integration part. So see, before integration I just wanted to show you how we can like there are like creation of new intents and all which is present, right? So we can do go into like default welcome intent, and default welcome intent at events like welcome. Then these are the training phases which is present like hi, hello, hey, hi there, greeting, hey, these kind of things. And after that we have like text response. I just added like r smart means any kind of means in one time whenever the user have said hi, hello, so he just responding our family bought this, or might be or they have just to reply that we are patched to welcome. Or we also having here you have to find all the information that's related with the families or graded to this. So any one statement which is come on the output. So these kind of things which is we have just did. After that, if you want to integration, then we can just click on this. So we can redirect over this. So in this, like, welcome to this present. So French based on the requirement and all. So you can choose them. So in developer, in develop feeds, so there are the different, like, what are the name we have to display. If a voice should be like female or male kind of things that we want as per our requirement. We can choose them as per. Then after that we have testing. So testing we can also do deploy, we can also do the analytic part. So these are the deployment description as per our requirement. We can change this logo, based on ID and all which is present. So analytics, so based on this, there are also different phases and all which is present over there. So here the deployment of this. So just I click on this. So what I click on this.
Okay, here's the test version of Welcome to Smart Family Bot.
Here you can find all the information you need about your family. Could you please let me know how I can help?
Power family.
Which family information do you want?
Power family. So we have to just type speak power family.
Which family? My purpose is to share information about the Pawar family with you. What kind of information would you like to receive?
Or we can also type in this. So like this, I just copy paste. So click on this.
There are 4 adult children: Siraj, Pratik, Pranay and Pratiksha in this family. Which adult children information do you want to know you?
Suraj.
About me is that success doesn't just find you. You have to go out and get it. That is which I follow in my life, doing something creation which makes you as different from others, and last but not least is B, patience in life. One of the fighting partner, and always caring of my that whatever I need immediately give me without anything asking. As he is doing his job in Swami Medical Store in Salunk Hospital, talking about his dislike is that not come in time to home from medical shop. That is only one thing that I want to change, bro. Else you are my best brother and best as a friend in my life. I always miss you when you are far from me.
Then you can just type about. If you want else information, then you can just put it.
Welcome to my family couples. In my family there are 17 couple are there. Which couple's information do you want?
Then you can also you can just paste it, you can also write it. So I just click on that.
I love you. I am who I am because of you. You are every reason, every hope and every dream I've ever had, and no matter what happens to us in the future, every day we are together is the greatest day of my life.
So these are the things that we can just do. Like these are the small chatbot we can say. It's family bot which I need. So we can also do like this. Also these are the statements and all. We can also type or we can also speak based on our requirement. So this is all about the Dialogflow chatbot which is made. So you can also integrate these chatbot with your websites, your personal website or any kind of website, so that you can if you want to know about, if you want to share your information with your another person, then you can use this app. Or they have just might be new, and it's kind of fun way we have just created this things and all. So we can also do a lot of things by doing this. So hope you like it. Thank you so much.